Hello everyone and welcome to the daily analysis. It's the 1st of January 2020. The new trading year has begun. I hope you had a very good celebration, the send off to 2019. Obviously, it's a new decade, so hopefully you've set up some goals now for the next decade, 2030. So definitely sorted myself out. Also, a big thank you to everyone who's subscribed so far. Currently at 1.18 subscribers, so that's obviously brilliant. Like I said, if you haven't done so already, subscribe for the next trading year and all the future analysis videos that we've got coming up. So in regards to tomorrow's news, obviously today is a bank holiday, so all of the market has been quiet. We have some GBP news tomorrow. It's early morning. It's nothing too major, but it's the PMI news, so it's not a big volatility play, but it is the only only news that's relevant for tomorrow. So beginning with GBP USD. We can see we've had this huge push to the upside, and we are due a pullback to an extent. I do believe we could see a pullback into our reversal zone, and it will match our 0.236 fib extension if it does pull back in this area. If we also look at our EMAs as well. Oh, sorry, hang on. We see that we've overbought. So we are due a RSI reset and a pullback as well. So that's what I will be expecting, is a pullback into this area. So keep your eyes out for a play in this reversal area here. Regarding Euro USD, we can see that we've had this huge push to the upside still. We are resetting on the RSI, so this may continue it to the upside. If you did get in on the trade here on the 30th, it's still in play and should be still continuing to the upside. USD JPY, we can see that we've had that huge push to the downside. Now I've actually drawn in a new reversal zone here, so it's another demand zone, and we can see that we've oversold here. So we could potentially see this rise up. So in this area, I'm paying attention to, is it within a daily confluence as well? It's basically at 108.53 to 108.36. So within this area, as we can see, we've tapped into this zone, but I am expecting another pullback into this area. We could potentially see a pullback. Now I want to see something like in regards to this, a closure. If we do continue it to the downside, we would see a closure below and then a pullback in this area, and then the bullish sentiment to the downside. So that's what I would want to see in order to confirm a short. But we could see this fall drastically. And finally, with gold, we saw a huge push to the upside in the Asian session before the New Year's Eve, and we've also basically coming back into this area now. So will be good to see if we can get into this pullback. And like I said, that if you did miss this move here, there is always a second opportunity if possible. And that would be if we could get the pullback here in this reversal area here. So we are coming towards it. We'll just pay attention to this area, and if we find that bullish sentiment, make sure you take it. And that's what I would continue it to. And I will be anticipating a move potentially at 1563 or 1557. So that's potential. But when we get further confirmation around this zone, maybe tomorrow or the day after, we'll consider what to look out for. So that will be all for today. Hopefully you are taking your decision, that you're trading properly now. If not, no worries. There's only your own learning curve here. You don't have anything to prove apart from however fast you want to learn, etc. But this is a very good trading channel. I do believe we are the only ones that are teaching a method day in, day out, giving you that preparation analysis as well. And I know some services actually charge for this as well, and I offer this completely free. Obviously, the numbers aren't there in terms of views, but I guess that's your way for to benefit off this not so mainstream sort of platform so far. So yeah, like I said, if you are interested in still learning, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't done so already, and that will be all. So thank you very much for listening. Hope you had a very good New Year's, and let's begin 2020 with a good one. So thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you next year, tomorrow.